Why having fresh and healthy air is important in the home. Dear friends, modern homes are tightly sealed, and whilst this keeps us warm, a lack of ventilation and fresh air can cause stale air pollutants to linger. Similarly, older properties can be more prone to condensation and subsequent mold, which can affect the air quality indoors. Open your windows and doors regularly throughout the day to entice more fresh air in your home, particularly whilst cooking or showering. Switch on extractor fans to suck out the moisture in the air and dry your washing outdoors whenever possible. If you do dry your washing indoors, make sure the room is well ventilated to circulate healthy air in the home and prevent mold and condensation from building, as this can lead to dampness. Bring healthy air into your home. Allowing plenty of clean, fresh air in your home will provide a boost to your health. Fresh air increases the amount of oxygen in your body, which supports white blood cells to function more efficiently. This helps to strengthen the immune system to fight off bacteria and illness more effectively. Breathing in stale air can reduce your body's oxygen supply, and a lack of fresh air in the home can reduce immune system function, making it more difficult to fight off viruses. The World Health Organization, WHO, advises fresh air in the home and good ventilation. Introduce fresh air into a space while the stale air is removed. It is essential to maintain the quality of air in that space. You can find more information on the importance of fresh air in the home and other indoor spaces on the WHO website. Fresh air in the home for a healthy mind. Do you find that you feel sluggish after spending all day in a poorly ventilated space? Open the windows. A constant supply of fresh air in the home can help to support a healthy mind and improve your physical health. This is supported by stress management and mental health organizations too. More oxygen will clear your mind, rejuvenate your skin, and energize your whole body. On the other hand, lack of oxygen will lead to mental sluggishness, lack of focus, depression, and anxiety. If you are working at home or spending long periods of time indoors, keep the heating temperature at a moderate level and open windows to bring plenty of fresh air inside throughout the day. Take regular movement breaks, and if the weather allows, why not take your hot drink or lunch outdoors or near to an open window to take advantage of some healthy air in your home? How to enjoy more healthy air in the home. You don't have to constantly keep doors or windows wide open. Simply leaving a small crack will improve air circulation throughout the day to bring fresh air in your home and allow stale air to leave. If you can, create a fresh air corridor in the home by opening windows at the front and rear of the property. Remember that air pollution levels outside can travel indoors too. If you are in an urban or high pollution area, and you want to be careful to bring healthy air into the home, you can check outdoor the air quality with the Daily Quality Air Index. Enjoying fresh air in the home is another way of ensuring you can be well, stay well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.